So last class up to solving the 7th sum. So today we are solving the remaining sums, right? So next sum is the 8th question is a simplify. So 1 by 2 plus into 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 is divided by 3 by 10 into 3, and so that it is a rational numbers between 11 and 12. Students, first one we understanding the questions first. This question is answer is 2. First one is you verify it is a rational number. Your answer is a rational number or not, check, and that answer is between 11 and 12 or not. So two result you solving, right? So first one, simplify the given question. So solution. So given sum is 1 by 2 plus into 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 is divided by 3 by 10 into 3, right? So first one, these 4 types 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first solving the 1 by 1. So using the board mass step. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5. So first solving the bracket value only. So first one, so 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, so plus, so this step using the cross multiply or LCM method. So our discuss this class is a cross multiply only. So 3, 5. So 3 5s are 15. So 15. Next, so multiply 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 answer is 4 by next 2 and 5. 2 into 5 answer is 10. Right. Next, this divided by the change to reciprocally. So reciprocal the second rational numbers. Last class solving these steps. So division is a reciprocal is int. So next one, so 3 by 10. 3 by 10 reciprocal is 10 by 3 is divided by 3. Then this step is a solve. So 1 by 2 plus next, so subtract the numerator value 15 4. 15 minus 4 answer is 11. So 11 by 10. Next int, next cross size cancel. So 3 3. So 3 into 3 cancel. So remain number is 10. Next, so 1 by 2 plus 11 by 10 into 10. So 11 by 10 into 10 is a multiplicator. So cross size is a cancel. So 10 and 10 is a cancel. So therefore, so 1 by 2 plus remain value is 11. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus 11. This two number is a sum of these two number. So using the cross multiply. So 1 by 1. Yes, cross multiply 2 11. 2 into 11 answer is 22 by 2 is equal to 22 plus 1 answer is 23 by 2. Student, this first one answer 23 by 2. 23 by 2 is a rational number. This first one answer. So next one 23 by 2 is a check. So between 11 and 12 or not. Okay. This 23 by 2 is a divide. So 23 is divided by 2. Therefore, so 11 times 22. So remainder is 1. This not divide. Therefore decimal point. Next one. So 5 times. So 5 times is a 10 0. Therefore, so our answer is 11 by 5. Therefore, so 11 by 5 between the number of 11 and 12 is second one answer. Okay, student. So given question is verify the two results. So first one and second one. This first one answer and the second one answer. That's all. Thank you, student. 9th sum. So first question I solve. So 11 by 8 is into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 is divided by 9 by 20. So minus 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. Students, you simplify the bracket value first one. So next solve with the 1 by 1. Right. So first one 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33. So 11 and 3 is a cancel cross size. So 1 times. So 33 11th is so 3 times. Next one third table is a cancel. So 1 times. Next one so 2 times. Next 2 and 8 is a cancel. So 1 times. Next one 4 times. Therefore is equal to this number is 1. So plus minus to minus 1s are 1 answer is 1 by, so plus into plus answer is plus, so 1s are 4 answer is 4. This first bracket value. So next second bracket value. So 1 by 3 so plus into so 3 by 5. So write it reciprocally into so 20 by 9. So 9 by 20 reciprocally, so 20 by 9. So next one, so minus, so cancel the crosswise, 7, 7 is a cancel, so plus to minus minus, 1s are 4, 4. So next denominator multiply, so 1s are 5, answer is 5. And the third step using a second step is solving the cross multiply is cancel. So 1 times, next one, so how many times? So 4 times. Next one, so 1 times, how many times? So 3 times. Therefore answer is minus 1 by 4 plus into, so 1 by 3. Next one plus, so 1s are 4, answer is 4 by 1s are 3, answer is 3. So minus to minus, answer is plus, so 4 by 5. Right. So next one, so minus 1 by 4, so these two numbers is a denominator same, so adding the numerator value, so plus, so 4 plus 1, 5, so 5 by 3, next plus 4 by 5, right. So these three sum, so three rational numbers, so three rational numbers I solve in the second and the third. First, second and third is a sum, so minus 1 by 4, next one, so denominator is different, so take the cross multiplication method. So next one, 5s are 5, 25, next one plus, so 3 into 4 answer is 12 by 3 into 5 answer is 15. So is equal to minus 1 by 4, next plus into 25 plus 12, 25 plus 12 answer is 37. So 37 by, so 15. Next, so using the crosswise multiply, plus and minus, minus 1, 5, 1s are 15, 15. Next one, so plus 37 into 4, so 37 into 4, so 4 7s are 28, balance 2. Next, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 answer is 14. So 148 by 15 into 4, 15 into 4 answer is 60 is equal to, so subtract the numerator value, 148 minus 15. So 8 minus 5 answer is 3, 4 minus 1 answer is 3, so 1. Therefore, so 133 by 60. Therefore answer is 133 by 60.
Student, so next question. A student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3. A student had multiplied by 4 by 3. So next one, instead of dividing it by 4 by 3 and got, so 70 more than the correct answer. So find the numbers. Right. என்ன சொல்லிக்கிறாங்கன்னா ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வந்து தான் அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நம்பர் வந்து 4 by 3 டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டான். ஸோ டிவைட் பண்ணுறது ஆனால் டிவைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பதிலாக என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அதே நம்பரை 4 by 3 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டான். ஓகே, அப்போ ராங்காக எடுத்துக்கிட்டான். ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன்று, அப்போ டிவைட் பண்ணதுக்கு பதிலாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டான். ஓகே, அப்போ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவன் கிடைக்கிற ஆன்சரோட எவ்வளோ கிடைக்கிது, கரெக்டான ஆன்சரோட 70 மோர் தென் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஓகே, 70 கரெக்ட் ஆன்சரோட என்ன பண்ணுறேன், 70 வந்து அதிகமாக கிடைக்குது. ஓகே, இதுதான் கான்செப்ட். ஸோ கான்செப்ட் வந்து this question. Okay, right. Our want the value is set 2. So one is that your find the values of required value and the second one is that correct answer what. So நமக்கு இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூ தெரியாது, இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூ தான் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போறோம். So question நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டா இந்த சம் வந்து ஈஸியா போற சிம்பிளான சம். ஓகே, so next one is given is எப்ப கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும், அந்த நம்பர் வந்து 4 by 3 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் வந்து கிடைக்கும். ரைட். அந்த நம்பர் therefore that number is x. So x is divided by which number multiplied 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is equal to, and the correct answer, so let the correct answer is y is first condition. And so second condition is wrong multiply. The number is a wrong multiply. Therefore x is here, so is multiply. So 4 by 3 is equal to, right. அப்ப எவ்வளவு நமக்கு கிடைக்கணும், டிவைட் பண்றதுனால மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கணும் அப்படின்னா, கிடைக்கிற ஆன்சரோட கரெக்ட் ஆன்சரோட எவ்வளவு அதிகமா இருக்குன்னா 70. So 70 வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கு. இதுதான் கான்செப்ட். ஓகே ஓகே, அப்போ இதுனா நமக்கு தட் நம்பர், அந்த நம்பர் என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. So x ஓட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணனும். தட்ஸ் ஆல். So this is the condition only. You solve. So solve now. So x is divided by write the reciprocally into next 4 by 3 reciprocally is 3 by 4 is equal to y. So next one is x into 3 by 4 is a multiply. So multiply x into 3. So 3x by 4 is equal to y. This is equation number 1. So next one is so 4 into x multiplied. So 4x by 3 is equal to y plus 17. Right. So next one is so 70. So becomes to the left side is so change to the sign only. So plus become to the left side is minus. Therefore, so 4x by 3 is minus. So plus 70 becomes to left side is minus. So minus 70 is equal to y. This is equation number 2. Students, so comparing 1 and 2 or substitute from 1 and 2 which implies therefore equation number 1 so 3x by 4 is equal to and equation is equal to y, value of y is equal to substitute equation number 2. So y value 4x by 3 minus 17. So 4x by 3 minus 17. Right. Students, you solving the right side. So using cross multiply. So 4x minus 17 into 3. 17 into 3 answer is 7 into 3. 7 into 3 answer is 21. That 0 by 3. Therefore 17 into 3 answer is 210. And left side is 3x by 4. So next solving the cross multiply. So 3 into 3. So 3 into 3x is equal to so 4 into 4x minus 210. So multiply inside 3. So 3 into 3 9x is equal to so 4 multiply inside 2 value. First multiply 4. 4 into 4 answer is 16. 16x. So plus minus plus to minus minus. So 210 into 4. So multiply 210 into 4 is equal to 0. Next 1s are 4. Next 4 2s are 8. Therefore answer is 840. Therefore 840. Next one. So our wanted values of only x. So 16x becomes to the left side is minus 16x. So 9x minus so 16x is equal to minus 840. Therefore 16x minus 7x is equal to minus so 7x is equal to 16x minus 9x is equal to minus 7x minus 840. So both sides are sign. So minus minus cancel. Therefore x is equal to 840 whole divided by so 7 becomes to the right side is a division. So left side 7 and x is a multiplicator. So 7 becomes to the right side is a division. You cancel. So 840 by 7. So 1 times. Next 848 is a 1 times. Next balance 1 14. So 14 7 is 2 times 0. Therefore answer is 120. Therefore the recurrent number is 120. Okay students. Thank you.
Students, so next one is objective type of question. So 11th sum, there is 1 more question. So find the standard form of the 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus into minus 7 by 12. This question. Students, 3 rational numbers give. So 3 rational numbers is so sum of these numbers. First one, any numbers you add, so rational numbers, you find the denominator same or not. Okay. So 4, 6, 12. So denominator is different. So take the LCM first. So 6, 4 and 12 is a LCM is so 12. Next one, you try the 12th one is a denominator value will come. Next one, so 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 denominator is 4. So you multiply number of 3. So 3 by 3. Next one plus so 5 by 6. So multiply number of 2. 2 by 2 plus and so minus 7 by 12. Next is equal to so next multiply 3 into 3. 3 into 3 answer is 9. So 9 by 4 into 3 answer is so 12. Next plus so 5 into 3. 5 into 2. 5 into answer is so 10. By 6 into answer is 12. So plus into next one so minus 7 by 12. Okay. So this steps the denominator value is equal numbers. So adding the numerator value and write the numerator is 9 plus 10. So plus into minus minus. So 7 by so 12 is equal to so 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10 answer is 19 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 19 minus 7 answer is so 12. 12 by 12 is equal to 12 by 12 answer is 1. Therefore this standard form. students, so 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 12, answer is 1. This is correct answer. So next question, 12th sum. So 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8 into plus 1 by 2. Now, so first solving the bracket value, so denominator is different, so take the LCM of 8. So LCM is 8, 3 by 4 multiply 2 table, 2 by 2 minus, so 5 by 8, so plus, so 1 by 2. Next is equal to, so 3 2s are 6 by 4 2s are 8 minus, so 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2. So next, so denominator same, so directly adding the numerator value, so 6 minus 5 by 8, next plus, so 1 by 2 is equal to 6 minus 5, answer is 1. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2. So now, so this method using the two types. So first one is a cross multiply or LCM. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2. So denominator is different. So LCM is 8. Therefore, so 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 4 is equal to, so 1 by 8 plus 1 4s are 4 by 2 4s are 8 is equal to, hold on weight, so 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, 5 by 8 is the answer. Put in the question, so 3 by 4 into, so 5 by 8 is divided by 1 by 2. Right. So first simplify the bracket value. So students, so this simple is division, so change to the reciprocally. So 3 by 4 into, so 5 by 8, next one division reciprocally is into, so 1 by 2, so write the 2 by 1. Next, so 3 by 4 into, next one crosswise cancel, so 1 times, next one 4 times of 8, 1s are 5, 5 by 1s are 4, 4 is equal to, so next multiply these two numbers, so corresponding values of multiply numerator, denominator. Therefore, so 3 into 5, 3s are 5, 15 by 4 into 4, answer is 16. This standard form. So therefore answer is 15 by 16.